Are you searching for the perfect laptop to power your studies and beyond? Meet the Nimo 15.6 FHD Student Laptop, your ultimate academic companion. With its Intel Pentium Quad-Core N100 processor, this laptop not only beats the i3-1115 G4, but also delivers speeds up to 3.4 GHz. Whether you're multitasking, streaming, or working on intensive projects, this laptop has you covered. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the Nimo 15.6 FHD Student Laptop. First, let's talk about its design and build quality. The Nimo laptop boasts a sleek and modern design, perfect for students who need a lightweight and portable device. The 15.6-inch Full HD display provides crisp and vibrant visuals, ideal for both studying and entertainment. Under the hood, the Nimo laptop is powered by an Intel Pentium Quad-Core N100 processor. This might surprise you, but it actually outperforms the Intel i3-1115 G4, offering speeds up to 3.4 GHz. With 16 GB of RAM and a 1 TB SSD, this laptop handles multitasking with ease. Whether you're running multiple applications, streaming videos, or working on large projects, the Nimo laptop won't let you down. One of the standout features of this laptop is the Backlit keyboard. It's perfect for late-night study sessions or working in low-light environments. Plus, the keys are responsive and comfortable to type on. Security is another highlight. Thanks to the built-in fingerprint scanner, it provides an extra layer of protection, ensuring that only you can access your device. Connectivity is crucial for students, and the Nimo laptop doesn't disappoint. It comes with the latest Wi-Fi 6 technology, ensuring fast and stable internet connections, and with a battery life that lasts up to 10 hours on a single charge. You can easily get through a full day of classes and study sessions without needing to recharge. Another big plus for students is the peace of mind that comes with a 2-year warranty and a 90-day return policy. You can be confident in your purchase, knowing that you're covered for any issues that might arise. These policies show Nimo's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, making this laptop a reliable choice for your academic journey. So, is the Nimo 15.6 FHD Student Laptop the right choice for you? With its powerful performance, sleek design, and student-friendly features, it certainly stands out in the crowded laptop market. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews and tech tips. If you have any questions about the Nimo laptop, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.